Everybody, this is James. James made $15 an hour, worked 8 hours a day, 5 days a week. That's equivalent to $120 a day, $600 a week, $1,200 every 2 weeks if you get paid bi-weekly. Now, no matter if he like his job or hate his job, all he know is the objective is to make more money and he need more of it. So he continues to go to work and deal with customers, but he's a people person, so he's used to that. To deal with a manager, asking when to take a break, or dealing with having to leave at a specific time and no early, or dealing with being someone relief, or dealing with just all the problems of working a 9 to 5. However, some people, it doesn't matter. As long as you're getting money, you can deal with whatever. Not everyone is blessed enough to have other opportunities out there. So anyway, we move on. So he runs into one of my videos on YouTube one day and he like, oh no, this dude gotta be capping. It ain't no way in hell you can make that much. It ain't no way he's telling the truth. This is impossible. What are the requirements? Because I gotta see about this myself. So he got his stroll on down there. He like, I'm 25. I got my ID. I had my driver's license for a year. So let me see if he capping or not. So the lady walk over to him and she like, mira, ven aquí, put your shirt on. Go on the app and you just fill out the application right there on sign up to drive. Make sure you use the referral code and you can get $3,100 for your first 180 rides. He like, I don't gotta go home. I just did it in the bathroom. I just signed up, made sure I used that code. So I got some more questions for you real quick. So we started to ask her, can I use it to get money on other apps like DoorDash and Uber Eats and stuff like that? And she like, yeah, we just allowed that this year. You can get money on other apps and stuff for Uber. You know, that's our op. Stop playing with us. But anyway, don't get caught. Can I use it to get to work? And she like, yeah, you got 200 personal miles and for a little bit more, you know, and a little bit more, but. So that was pretty lit. And then it's like, all right, so do I gotta bring it back every week? And she like, no, you ain't gotta bring it back every week unless you want to. If you don't like it that week, bring it the hell back. It don't matter to us because we still gonna shine. Anyway, that's what happened. So he leave and have that long man talk with himself. Yo, man, I could grab day card and that 3,100 that I can make from that, I could use that to get my own will when I bring that joint back, and then I could just use that to do the other apps after I made my bread with them, or I could keep driving with them, use day card, get my own will, keep making money after I get my will, or I could quit my job or keep my job and make more money on the side. You know, that long talk. My man got signed up. He got a will the next week. They took that $250 down deposit off of the card. Boom. So if he bring it back, he get that back. And now he on the road. Now, boom. The truth is, whether you got a job, don't got a job, you do this before work or after work, all he know is finally time really is money. Now, whether he know the ins and outs, the goods or bads, whatever, he'll learn on the way. But in 15, 20 minutes, he drove his neighbor around the corner and made $950. So James come home from work one day and found out that his girlfriend been doing rideshare too, and they ain't had shit to do with Lyft and Uber. She called me on the phone. So James work at a hotel, mopping pee off the floor, cleaning dookie off the wall, and trying to get his shit together in life at the same damn time. He also finds drugs sometimes, and unfortunately, since he don't make that much, he gotta wind up selling those drugs to some of the people. All right, I'm joking. This is going too far. Now, he like his job, oddly enough, but the thing is, he been doing rideshare lately, and for the past week, he done made in rideshare every 2 days what he make his paycheck. So he been thinking, should he continue working at that job or should he move on?
For me. Shorty like my smile, my hair, my style, my beard, my shirt, my swag, my sneaks. Shorty like I'm wild, I'm weird and down there. I work that ass to sleep.
And try to work for himself. So the best game you could get is from a chick, especially about security in life. So he like, yo, what you think about it? And she like, why would you quit your job? You getting 2 paychecks, you getting one on the legit, and you get your taxes back, and the other one you gonna be paying taxes. Like, don't quit your job, stay doing what you do, and you know what I mean, you a hustler. And she was right. So he had some thinking to do, and he had a decision to make. Next day, he went back to cleaning up that doodle, cleaning up that vomit off the floor, and changing them dirty sheets and stuff. And then after work, he went, and did his rideshare, did his little Lyft and Uber and all that. And now he's starting to realize, I say a month is going by, that he's making more doing rideshare than his full-time job. James loses everything. His social life, his girl, his friends, his family. He don't come around no more. He only come around during holidays. He hardly have any time for himself. He's tired, confused, and need to make a change now. So he has to make a decision. Which decision should he make? Do we quit rideshare or do we quit his job?
So why you eating that bread?
Because that's all I'm making.
Rideshare careers. Time to get some money, we just ride around city. Yeah.
Lord, if you want me to quit this job and go back to doing Lyft, please give me a sign.
Lift your soul up, brother, and lift your ass up out of that forsaken place.
Pastor done slipped up and told that to the wrong person. Now James got a battery pack in his bag bigger than before. You see, he already tried doing both and that ain't work. He made a lot of money but lost everything. So then he quit doing Lyft, the one that made the most money, and went back to his job, but his job ain't pay enough. And it came with a whole lot of drama that he ain't want to deal with. He snapped on his boss on purpose. Why the fuck am I coming in this job and y'all ain't got enough workers coming in here to be able to help me out to doing the goddamn job and y'all don't even pay me enough to do? He called the cops. I think he went a little too far. But anyway. Off to the hub he went. I mean, he couldn't wait. He and jetted in there, got his keys, got the hell on up out of here the same week. My man had a boost of confidence and everything. Hey, yo, Ma! Hey, yo, Ma, stop playing with me, girl. This skinny ass legs. Where you running to? Damn near 2 months down the line, he had moved out of his stink-ass apartment in Philly into a nice luxury joint, and he started recording music and everything. He was getting money. Next thing you know, his song went viral. And my man ended up super famous, never had to drop again. Psych! He was still broke. Ain't no easy way out, you gotta hustle. What he want? Oh, here we go. Here come the bullshit. Oh my goodness, that is so nice. I just know it's a rental. He about to hit me with the bullshit. Are you talking to me with your eyes closed? That's number one. But anyway, yeah, I kinda need a rental because I go through hella mileage every day doing what I do.
What nigga, don't sell drugs in the hood. I don't see you going to work.
What? I never sold drugs a day in my life. I'm just a Lyft driver. It's not that serious. And plus, I make just as much as I did make when I was working my full-time job.
Oh, I know what you'll be talking about. I be doing Uber Eats.
I can get my Uber Eat on if you want me to.
Wait, what?
We should do Uber Eats together sometime. What you think?
Oh, okay. Take down my number. Especially if we driving around in that.
Alright, Ma, so what's the difference between Uber Eats and Lyft and all that? Like, because I be doing Lyft and I be making pretty much a good amount, you know what I'm saying, winning streaks and bonuses or whatever. But like, how that shit go for you?
First of all, this is nice. I'm still in this. But for real though, you see the money before you even take the trip, honey.
Nobody want to see no miles without the bread.
Oh shit, that's money calling. You about to be an Uber man now. I'll never want to hear Lyft again.
What you want, Tinder?
That ain't no damn Tinder, nigga. That's a dime.
Hold up.
Yeah.
6 miles.
Yeah,
38 minutes for a dub? Oh, yeah. Hell no.
What you want to split it? What we gonna do? You want to go get it? I go get it. What you want to do? All right, listen. When you go in there, be polite. Don't play no games because they be snitching. Show them your phone. They give you the food and you out. It's that easy. Damn, boy, you gotta be faster than that.
I'm taking my time. I ain't never do this before.
Why is you moving so slow?
Chill out. Why you so damn loud?
Oh my God.
Alright, you OD though.
The food gonna be cold by the time you get there.
Yo, this food smell good. You want something?
Oh, you're here for pickup. Over there.
Yo, what type of time is y'all on? Y'all just leave people food out in the cold like this, huh? So this would be going on.
Alright, it's my account, so they gotta see that I'm putting the food at the door. But we getting this bag, baby. Period.
Damn, you slow. I ain't slow, I'm black. I'm walking into somebody's establishment, taking a random bag, and then walking out. You do the math.
True. I'm doing the next one though. But true.
Oh man, it's about to rain.
Period.
Oh hell
for the
yeah!
rain, baby.
All right, I'm with it now. All right, you get it.
Oh, that's where you put the little bags, Miss Lady? Okay. Nigga, we gotta be out. I just grabbed 2 bags on them. They better get this shit off of the porch or I'm gonna eat it my damn self. Damn, we both made a couple of
Man, I'm pissed. You telling me that I was wasting more mileage and I could have been doing both and making more bread doing both? This some bullshit.
Period.
Head up in your spot, grab a little snack myself.
Oh my god, you silly.
You got to get out of the corporate world. How did that Jay-Z version go? Alright, I forgot it. But anyway, you got to learn other ways of passive income out here. That's the moral to the story. Get out there and seek different ways to get money and make the most of it so your money end up working for you.
Period.
Just go in there, grab 1 bag. Don't grab 2 because last time you had us getting in trouble.
You ate the food with me though.
Who passed up on fried chicken?
We definitely ain't in the hood no more. Look at all these nice people. They just sitting all comfortable drinking coffee and stuff. Ah, here come the bullshit. Hey, excuse me. You gotta order Eats number for Amber. You gotta order Eats number for Amber. Excuse me. Damn, it take me forever to get your attention. Do you got order Eats number?
Little girl, I would knock you the fuck out.
Little who? Bitch. Period.
Oh, she had 1 job.
Jenny, come on!
You wanna play?
Ow! You have the right to remain silent.
Here, grab the food. And I beat that bitch up.
Uber Eats. Look like she gave them the Uber Beats. Right, Sarge?
She thought it was sweet, but I gave that bitch the Uber Beats. You feel me?
Yo, is the customer gonna find out what just happened?
I don't give a damn. He can get these hands too.
I gotta stop hanging with you. We all work jobs, right? Not everybody, but for the people who went to college, didn't go to college, or just don't make enough, right? We all work towards a goal, or supposed to have a goal in life. What do you work for? You see, if you going to work, you want to know that your time is worth the money. It don't take away from your personal life. And you can actually have fun while doing it. And it got to be something you actually like or develop a likening for. So if you're going to work a job, have it be able to fund your future goals. And if you're going to do that, what job actually does that or help you with that the best? Use these ways of passive income to fuel your future endeavors. Nothing going to last forever. So you got to be a hustler out here. Go get it and go get it. Thanks for watching. I appreciate every subscriber, everybody who hit the like button to help the algorithm for this little channel or whatever. I try to have good information as well as being entertaining. Who wouldn't want to subscribe to a channel like that? Anyway, appreciate you. Peace.